Ever wondered who was behind the trigger? Or the one who pressed that red button that killed the world's most dangerous terrorists? These weren't just missions, they were legendary takedowns. From the bullet that killed Osama bin Laden to the drone strike that shattered Soleimani's convoy, here are the top 5 most brutal terrorists and the heroes who took them down. Number 1. Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Laden was the mastermind of 9/11, killing nearly 3,000 innocent people in a single day. He built a terror empire called Al-Qaeda, trained suicide bombers, and caused fear worldwide. After hiding for nearly a decade, he was found in Pakistan. In 2011, Navy SEAL Team 6 raided his compound in the night. The guy who fired the fatal shot was none other than Robert O'Neill, a Navy SEAL. He risked his life in the historic raid that brought down the face of global terror. Mission led by Admiral William McRaven and ordered by President Obama.
Tonight, I can report to the American people and to the world that the United States has conducted an operation that killed Osama bin Laden, the leader of Al-Qaeda.
Number 2. Abu Bakr Al-Baghdadi. Baghdadi was the leader of ISIS, a group known for public beheadings, slavery, and genocide. He declared himself a caliph and ruled using fear and torture. In 2019, U.S. Delta Force cornered him in Syria. He ran into a tunnel with explosives and blew himself up, killing his own children with him. The mission was supported by a military dog named Conan and approved by President Trump, which led to the death of the butcher of ISIS.
Brought the world's #1 terrorist leader to justice. Abu Bakr Al-Baghdadi is dead. He was the founder and leader of ISIS.
Number 3. Abu Musab al-Zarqawi. Zarqawi ran Al-Qaeda in Iraq, the group that later became ISIS. He was known for beheading hostages on camera and bombing civilians. In 2006, the U.S. located his hideout. 2 F-16 jets dropped precision bombs, leveling the building. He died shortly after. Not much is publicly known about the individual pilots who flew the F-16 jets that struck, but the strike was based on intel from U.S. Special Forces, which led to the death of the founder of ISIS. At that time, the President of the United States was George W. Bush.
Chosen to bear the duty and share the honor of serving in our common defense.
Number 4. Anwar Al-Awlaki. Al-Awlaki was a U.S.-born Al-Qaeda leader who used the internet to radicalize young people around the world. He inspired attacks like Fort Hood, the underwear bomber, and more. In 2011, a CIA drone strike in Yemen ended his mission of hate. It was the first time the U.S. targeted one of its own citizens for terrorism. Behind the scenes, Michael D'Andrea, the CIA's anti-terror chief, made it happen, which led to the death of the digital terrorist. At that time, the President of the United States was Barack Obama.
Al-Awlaki was the leader of external operations for Al-Qaeda in the Arabian Peninsula. In that role, he took the lead in planning and directing efforts to murder innocent Americans.
Number 5. Qasem Soleimani. Soleimani wasn't part of a terror group. He was an Iranian general leading the Quds Force, which backed terrorist militias. He was blamed for hundreds of U.S. troop deaths and for arming enemies in the Middle East. In 2020, a U.S. drone strike in Baghdad targeted his convoy. The drone operator's identity remained classified. The strike was ordered by President Trump and carried out by JSOC, Joint Special Operations Command, which led to the death of the mastermind of proxy wars.
Last night, at my direction, the United States military successfully executed a flawless precision strike that killed the #1 terrorist anywhere in the world, Qasem Soleimani.
Which name shocked you the most?
Comment below and subscribe for more powerful true stories from history's shadows.